Yan, pagkatapos kumain, next stop, the probably Bow River. Bow River. Ito maganda at yung washroom is separate. Ayan, no? Ganda ng washroom dito. Washroom. Ayan. Tayo sa men's. Ayan. 8:30 AM to 10 PM. Ayan, maliwalas. Install nila. Okay, muna tayo. Malaki pala siya. Ito, hunky. Dito sa ice cream area. Ayan. Bump. Ayan, ito yung oh, Soltar. Oh. You wanna talk to him? You wanna talk to him? You wanna talk to Soltar? Come on. Talk to Soltar. Fortune teller, pull back. Pull back. Talk to me, Soltar. Come on. Here, take a picture of you here. Alright, go there. Parang sundial. You are here. Okay, here it is. Bump. Ito yung Park Museum. That's it? Okay. What? I don't know. 1 hour and a half. Yeah, same. It's up now?
Huh?
1 hour and a half is up?
Or 2:45. 2:44.
What time is it? Okay.
You wanna do
Huh?
We'll wait for you there if you wanna go.
Okay. Here, take a picture. Who farted?
This time in Calgary or this
Dito may free parking sa may railroad.
time? So we're leaving 5 o'clock.
And then pupunta kayo dito sa parking sign. Sa parking sign. Sa bump sign. Yan, masyadong malakas yung hangin kaya yung audio hindi masyadong ganda. Yan. So everybody's tired from walking. Yan, so yan, yung sa uling-uling sa sign, bump sign. This is the Lake Minnewanka. You know, you can have a cruise over there.
There's a ghost town here
Ghost town?
because it got submerged when they built the dam. So
Oh.
there's still a town underneath this lake.
That's what it says? Oh, for real?
Yeah, interesting, right?
Oh, wow. It's a haunted lake then. Were there people when it submerged?
I didn't read up if there was people that died or
Oh.
there's a town underneath.
And they name it the Minnewanka is like a Indian name, right? Like a Native American name.
Where's the lake anymore? But that's too far.
So the story goes, this used to be a dam. Yung may town dito na nag-submerge daw. So, yan. Alright.
2,000 years later.
Last dinner in Calgary. Galing tayo ng Banff, Gondola. Rice noodle. Ayan, try rito. Ito yung pinunta natin, pho ban. Pho ban. Ayan na, umpisa na yung kain. Ayan, vermicelli yung nasa dulo doon. Ayan, beef stew. Saka din yung beef din.
Masarap yung beef.
Special.
Yeah, try it. Mamaya.
Yan, beef tayo. Kain tayo. Milk. They have a small thing for sauce. Small. No, for the sauce.
Like this.
Oh, this one. Okay.
Small plate.
Ito too.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Ano ko yung sandwich na ibigay sa atin? Hindi naman ibigay.
Bakit nalipad?
Daw mas masarap na yun. Hindi ko. Nabawasan. Hindi ko na. Hindi ko na ganun.
Mas gusto ko yung noodles ng ganun.
Yan. Kay Kasal. Ano, medyo ano to. Medyo...
Kumakunat.
Lagay mo doon Carl.
Ano?
Lagay ka na doon para tikim din ako ng video. Lagay doon. Ayan, sulit. Ayan, kumakain pa. Ayan, sulit.
A few moments later.
Bye-bye.
Tulog pa kayo.
See ya.
Kita ulit tayo.
Ano eh?
Ayan mo. Ayan, man. Okay. Ingat. Okay. Night. Bye. Ingat.
Good night. Bye, good night.
Prince, say bye-bye.
With Rani and their co-worker.
Like,
Olive Garden.
Luchi. Tulog na si Luchi?
No.
Out? Oh.
With dinner.
Oh, I see. Oh, I see.
Have a safe drive, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Take care. Thanks. Bye-bye. So, anong oras yung ano nyo bukas? Ha? Ano yun?